Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you a few storage management tips on the iPhone 17e. So if you want to learn how to optimize your storage better so you almost have free space at all times, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do. And the first one would be to enable the app offloading feature. So on the iPhone, if there's an option where if you don't use an app a lot, it's going to offload the app and it's going to free up that storage. And once you need the app, you can just tap on the icon and it's going to download back really quickly. And to enable this option, we're going to go to Settings. We're going to scroll down to General. Then we're going to tap on iPhone Storage. And this is where we're going to find the offload feature. So sometimes it pops up right here in the recommendations. You can tap on Show All, and it's going to show you Offload Unused Apps. So once you enable this feature, if your phone is going to start running low on storage, some of the apps are just going to be offloaded. What that means is the app is going to free up the storage by basically uninstalling. But once it's going to leave an icon of the app on your screen, right where you left it. And once you want to open the app back up, you can tap on it. It's going to install the app. It's going to install all of the data that was on the app. And pretty much you can use the app again. And that's how you can free up a lot of storage pretty quickly. The next thing is the iCloud photo sync. So if you have an iCloud subscription or even the starting 5 gigabytes that the iPhone gives you for iCloud, you can use that storage to save photos on it. And to do that, all we need to do is scroll down to Apps, go to the photo app, and then enable iCloud Photos. So once you enable that option, it's going to basically upload the photos to the iCloud storage. Now, my storage of iCloud is full, so I can't really enable this feature. But if yours is freed up, or you even have a subscription for more storage, you should definitely enable this feature because it frees up a lot of storage on your phone. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.